Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. A nitrile, cyanide, RCN, can be formed by dehydration of a primary amide using a strong dehydrating agent. Moving on to the next step. Option A, PHC is equal to O, CH3 treated with IChO, then 2H3O+. Lyl4 reduces a ketone to a secondary alcohol. Product is PHCH or CH3, 1-phenylethan-1-ol. No nitrile formed. Option B, PHC is equal to O, NH2 benzamide treated with NaOH and Br2. This is the Hofmann rearrangement reaction. The primary amide loses one carbon as CO2 and the product is a primary amine, PH, NH2 aniline. No nitrile formed. Option C, PHC is equal to O, NH2 benzamide treated with P4O10 phosphorus pentoxide phosphorus V oxide. P4O10 is a powerful dehydrating agent. It dehydrates a primary amide by removing water, H2O, from Rc is equal to O, NH2 to give RCN, nitrile cyanide. Therefore, PHC is equal to O, NH2 plus P4O10 PHCN, benzonitrile, plus H2O. This produces a nitrile, cyanide, as the major product. Option D, PHC is equal to O of treated with SOCl to gives PHC is equal to O, Cl, benzol chloride, then with NH3 gives PHC is equal to O, NH2 benzamide. The final product is an amide, not a nitrile. And for the final step, only option C produces a nitrile, cyanide, as the major product via dehydration of benzamide using P4O10. Why other options fail? A. Gives secondary alcohol. B. Gives primary amine via Hofmann rearrangement. D. Gives amide as final product. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.